Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can scale your Skool community, so let's get right into it. Now, if I go over into my community, you'll see that I just created it, and it doesn't have anything useful. Now, this is just a test community. However, what I would recommend to you is to make sure that the name of community is attractive to people, so that people are more likely to click on it, and I do recommend you set everything up so that it attracts more people. So you should invite some people from the start, from the get-go, so that they can then further invite their own friends. You can add a group description, which you should do to attract more people, and you should set a cover image so that people can see generally what your group is about. You can then write posts here in the community page, which I do recommend you do on a regular basis, since regular posts will make engagement better, and if engagement is better, it might attract more people. You can also set up courses and calendars, and I do recommend you choose a topic or events, not calendars. I do recommend you choose a topic that is attractive to the biggest amount of people. Choose your own niche that is not offered that much on Skool, and then more people will be able to track you. You can also, if you have a social media following, you can advertise that on your social media accounts, put in your Skool community link, and then you'll be able to attract more people that way. You might also be able to market it in different ways. However, I'm not sure what fits with the Skool guidelines for having communities. So if you were to, for example, pay for ads, I'm not sure if that's allowed. However, I do recommend you go ahead and check it out in the guidelines if that is allowed. And that is pretty much all there is to it. You can also create your own site and promote it there, but there are a lot of ways which you can do this, and they're up to you to decide which one to use. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.